safe. You know, technology has its own issues, but we want to give you a word. I don't want to say much about technology because we have DCI, we have DRG, and we have the Kuru in IT or PS for CT. But I can tell you, in whatever media, our exams are safe. I would want to assure the country that we have already put everything that is there to ensure that the integrity of our examination, both locally and internationally, is respected. So our word is that we are prepared all the way from opening the containers on Monday, and I can tell you it will be a whole government approach. You will see so many of us, our seniors, the cabinet secretaries, my colleagues, the PSS, and the entire government participating in this exercise, not because of anything, but because we would want to encourage our children that as their parents, we are with them. As we go to these examination centers, not for anything else, it is to encourage and motivate our young ones. So once again, I would want to give you a word that we are prepared for the exam. And before my colleague PSS say a word, I want to call on this Antonina, who is the director of teacher staffing at the TSC, who is representing the CEO. We engaged with the CEO last night. She is also out on almost a similar exercise in Meru and Embu to be sure that our children are prepared for this examination. And the full multi-agency team, this exam we have handled for the last 7 years, through a multi-agency process where we have the Ministry of Education, we have the Ministry of Interior, we have the Ministry of ICT and institutions associated with them, and the Teacher Service Commission, who provide the biggest force in this particular exercise.